Talking here, we're getting the closing bells, or what would be normally the closing bells if the NYSE were open. You can see where we're ending right now. The Dow Jones Industrial Average having a monster day today, up 11.2% and 2.6%. And just checking that right now, this is actually depending on how it all settles out. This is going to be the biggest one-day percentage gain for the Dow Jones Industrial Average since March 15th, 1933, if you can believe it. The S&P 500 also having a pretty good day, up about 9% on the day. This is led primarily by energy, industrials, and financials, all having double-digit gains. Your laggards today are pretty much communication companies, as well as some of the consumer staple stocks, pretty much all around the board. You're just looking at green here. When you talk about some of the other asset classes, we talked about that dollar weakness, the dollar index snapping that 10-day winning streak down about 0.7% on the day, seeing a slight rebound in oil, a pretty significant rebound in copper, and of course seeing selling pretty much all across the Treasury curve here. Again, at least on a one-day basis, this is all shaping up to be a relatively good day. But of course, as we said many times before, we haven't had two back-to-back days for U.S. equities going back to February 12th. So it'll be interesting to see what the sentiment is once we come into work tomorrow morning on Wednesday.